Hi there, Blaze here, and this is another devlog from my space shooter game without public name yet, just calling it Space Strike for now. Last time I developed background generator with custom inspector for tiles, and if you don't know that, it means you probably not subscribed my channel, so hit the subscribe button below to stay tuned. I started this week from Monday. I did some experiments on background generator, like changing tile size, but after some tests in editor and also on phone, I decided to leave the size I had for now, because smaller tiles look less realistic. But maybe I will use it in the future if I want to change perspective a little. I also fixed texture for earth background, because some of tiles was badly drawn, which caused bad intersections between them or non-realistic look. After overriding this texture, I went to work and the day passed out. Hello, today is Tuesday and I just finished changes on my custom inspector for tiles. I changed it for something like tabs view, because I need another view for managing way of relations. Why I cannot just add it to relations tab? Because some tiles on relations are set to have no relation, and in wave tab I can just hide them and have more clean interface. Then I changed generator code a little to work with these weights, and I set some of them. Sadly, generator often fails or create bad tiles. For now I don't know why, but I will debug this probably tomorrow, because I finished my work for today. But today I also received my package containing a network attachment server, because I need more space to store my older video projects and also backups from my Mac. Till now I use just an external HDD, but I want something I can use also by Wi-Fi when I work far from my desk, and this is more comfortable. For now I will use 500 GB disk as internal and 1 TB as external. Good enough. Wednesday is the day I spent on fixing background generator. The reason of yesterday's failure were apples. I used them in intersections between tiles and it just cannot work as should, so I returned some methods for previous state and implemented this a little different, but as you can see it's working now. And I like this huge flat terrains of grass. I will add more relations maybe this week and improve some ways probably, but for now it's good. Hello, welcome on Thursday morning. Today I spent about an hour on drawing new tiles for my game. And it doesn't mean that I just wanted more tiles. No, those I have are really good, but sometimes there is a place where grass grows with both water and sand, and to avoid exceptions in my code and repeating generations 4 times, I decided to draw some tiles which contains those 3 types in different ways. You can see that there is no hill tile here, but it's intentional because hills can neighbor only with default grass, so this case is not needed. Sadly, week ends, but I still didn't set every relation because there are too many of them. I will probably do this in next few weeks. Today is Tuesday, and after a few days with several hours of work, I'm finally done with setting relations between those tiles. It's probably not perfect and I still didn't set some waves, but this is very monotonous work and I'm glad it's finished. This week I'm gonna do a little refactor for code I created last week and for my unit tests, because sometimes they aren't working. I will also fix some small bug and prepare project for next big milestone, like finishing first level. I will tell you more about this later, but now I need to go to work, so see you tomorrow. Welcome on Wednesday. I spent this day on refactoring background generator class. Functions I use to generate first tile, first line and also another lines are really similar. Because of this, I decided to put some code into another function. Hello everyone, welcome on Thursday. Today I noticed that every tile has listed every another tile, also in relations list, and when I want to change one of the relation, I must scroll this list for a long time. So there is a method to shorten this list, and this is what I did today. I created flags enum containing every type of background, so grass, water, sand and hill. Then I added a variable to every tile defining asset and set values depending of sprite content. So here is an example. I have tile which contains both grass and hill, so I set this variable and then I list only these tiles which contains one of the same flags. So the list is much more shorter now. Next I need to set this in every asset, so I start the work, stop recording and we will see tomorrow. Ciao! There's one thing I implemented in the meantime, and it's custom editor window for searching assets by GUID. I needed this for searching assets related with my script table object when I had only GUID from text file of this asset. Small thing, I implemented this really fast, used twice, but maybe I will use it in the future also. So good to have this. So I was a little tired. I really like recording movies for my YouTube channel, but I was tired due to too many responsibilities. Working in full-time job, creating my own indie game, recording weekly devlogs, which causes me to write scripts almost every day, and preparing shorts and last special video. It's too much, so I needed to take a break. This is because in last month were less videos than earlier. The new year started, so I hope to have more free time and more energy to get all those things done, but to keep quality of these videos and work a little less than all day, I decided to change frequency of these videos, so subscribe to not miss the next video. Stay tuned and see you soon. Bye!